Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Giant Mouse Vox Onso Ace Nimbus. Really nice little knife. Its overall length is 7.25 inches, blade length of 3 inches, and it is Bohler M390 steel. It's got a really nice drop point shape to it. And it is a liner lock and thumb hole opener. So you just go like that and boom, it flies open. It's got a really nice detent to it. Handle length is 4 1/4 inch, and it is G10 on the scales, and I believe, yes, it is stainless steel liners, and they are super tough, and it looks great. It's got a nice shape to it, feels great in hand. It's got some jimping right here for your finger for a forward choppy chop, and yeah, OD green G10 on this version, but there are other options as well. And you do have a pocket clip for tip up right-handed or left-handed carry. And there you have it. Overall weight is 4.04 ounces. Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. And that's that. So guys, go ahead and check this knife out at bladehq.com. Whoops, I failed to open it. The Giant Mouse Vox Onso Ace Nimbus.